How to verify Neteller account. Open the Neteller website and log in to your account. Go to the Account Settings section. Select the Verification option. Fill in your personal details correctly. Confirm your email address. Verify your phone number through the code sent to you. Prepare your national ID or passport for identity verification. Upload a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Provide a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your address. Upload the proof of address document. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a selfie if asked. Submit all the required documents for review. Wait for Neteller to process and verify your documents. Check your account status to see if it is marked as verified. Thank you for watching.